Hello out there, and welcome to another episode of I Know How This Works. Today we'll be studying JavaScript, prototypal inheritance, where objects inherit properties from other objects. But before we get started, I want to say hello and thank you to my sponsors, awesomewebstore.com, where you can find information on the latest technology to help improve your life and help you run your online business more effectively. That1t.com, where you can find images and where to buy the latest and freshest graphic tees, and 5-10.club, where you can buy clothing at near wholesale prices in sets of 5 or 10 in a variety of colors. Definitely check out my sponsors. We appreciate their support. Now, back to prototypal inheritance. I know how this works, and I am awefulBrown. With prototypal inheritance, objects inherit properties from objects. In most languages, classes inherit from classes, but in JavaScript, it's objects inherit from objects. When you create your object, you give it properties, and this allows you to keep your code dry because you don't have to give those same properties. You rewrite that same code for the new properties that are similar. In my example, I'm making a game. My first object is a deity, and this deity has the property of love. And then from there, I can create persons that inherit that property of love, and then I can add new properties to them. For instance, I have an intersex property, a two-spirit property, an asexual property, a property that I have there because some players may come in and I don't know exactly which property they want to add, so they can give me the information so they can make their own property. I have non-cisgender property, and then I have the cisgender object over there on the end. And you see, each one then can have their own child object that can inherit the love property as well as the intersex property or the two-spirit property. And that's how objects inherit from objects, and that's how prototypal inheritance works. And now you know how this works. So share this, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you would like to learn next. I am awefulBrown, and I know how this works. But before we go, thank you again to my sponsors, awesomewebstore.com, that1t.com, and 5-10.club.